Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize the tab bar on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on this settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of this blue section. Click on tab bar. As you can see, there are three tabs that are added to your tab bar right now, such as task, calendar, and settings. And if you scroll down, you can find that there are four other options that you can add, which are now in this disabled section, such as the Eisenhower matrix, which focuses on what is important and urgent. So if you want to add it to your tab bar, which will appear down below, tap on this plus icon. So as you can see now, there are four icons at the bottom of the screen. The Pomodoro tab is a timer and a stopwatch in order to keep you focused. So click on this green plus icon in the left side of the screen. The third option is the habit tracker, so you can develop a habit and keep track of it. And the last one is the search option, do a quick search easily. As you can see, all of the available tabs has been added to your tab bar, so you can go back by tapping on this icon at the top and then done. If you go back to your home page, you can see that there are four options available, and if you click on this more button, you can see the other three tabs as well, such as develop a habit. This is the Pomo timer, Eisenhower matrix, and the other tabs too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.